Hi, I am Dr. Vimmi Bindra. I am a gynecologist and a laparoscopic surgeon at Apollo Hospitals, Hyderabad. Today we will talk about back pain in pregnancy. Now, pregnancy in first trimester or in any trimester, there are certain common symptoms which women report to us. One is frequency of urination, the other is fatigue, they feel tired, they feel sleepy. Another very important symptom is a persistent back pain. Now, back pain happens in pregnancy is because of two reasons. One is the physiology and the anatomy of our spine. Our spine has a curvature and the pregnancy grows towards the gravity. So it pulls on the spine and it causes a low nagging kind of back pain. The second reason for back pain is not supporting your back properly. If you are sitting, make sure that your back is fully supported, and when you're working on your computers or laptops, you are in the correct posture so that it does not get aggravated. Now, back pain in pregnancy, there are certain exercises which we recommend you can do at home and relieve yourself from this back pain. But you should not do any exercises without your doctor's opinion. And if back pain is very severe, a physiotherapist guides you how to do those exercises, and some additional treatment if required can be done. In these cases, we also have to rule out some of the spine issues. Some people may have disc prolapse which was not detected before pregnancy, and during pregnancy it gets detected because of your symptoms. So you need to take your doctor's opinion to assess the severity of your back pain, and at home what you can do is take care of your posture while working and while sitting. And if you are sitting for long hours, as nowadays most of the people are working from home, they are not taking care how they sit. They are working when sitting on the bed or sitting at different positions. So if you're pregnant, you have to be very careful about it. Otherwise, this back pain becomes a chronic one and it troubles you even after delivery. So some exercises which we recommend you can learn under guidance and take your doctor's permission, and usually pregnant women do well with these exercises and they can resolve this issue very well. Thank you.